line for years and years together. The question what we are trying to make is AITC is going to fight for this cause and will see that if it does not get the AITC, the bill, the ST bill in this parliament session, we will definitely see that it is raised very vigorously in parliament and get the ST. They are on record to say that nobody is objecting to this bill. So why are you keeping it in the only people who are objecting to the bill is the central government of the BJP. Thank you.
Any questions?
We can ask different something, no?
Like what? Different what?
2 days back, your convener have left your party doing a serious allegations, saying your party is not always targeting the opposition. What do you like to say about it?
त्याने एलिगेशन केलं म्हणते आम्ही एक्सेप्ट करून घेईना ओके आमचे सारखे आहे त्यांचं दोन आय एम रेडी टू डिबेट विथ हिम की ते एलिगेशन बेसिक केलेली सांगपाचे नाही
Indeed, baseless allegation are there.
Now I have spoken against him now. He spoke, I spoke against him. Take this and show it to him. Thank you.
And one more thing, now what is the future of the TMC? Right now, I think
Future?
Yeah,
Future is only IITC involved.
only ID.
We will see that we meet the people. We will take up the issues and we will see that people are attracted towards it because people have lost confidence in the opposition. You know it better. Now if I say that, you say I'm attacking the Congress. We don't know how the Congress has reached the people.
No, in future, brother.
We have to talk about them against. The people are talking against them.
The party is big enough. Ekalo dogs and get it hardly makes any difference. All the leaders don't get authority. The party has survived in Goa and it will survive in the near future also.
But anytime Samir have talked regarding this thing, he is having some issues.
Not to me at least.
Nothing.
Not to me.
What issues?
I don't know what was issues. Not to me.
No, what issues was?
Regarding the way he was saying that TMC only targeting the oppositions and they are not means they are supporting the ruling party.
You show me one instance where we have supported the BJP. Two press conferences that day. You show me one press conference where we have supported the BJP.
All the press conference he was there.
But why he has told like that?
I don't know why he has asked him no. How I can tell you what why he is
your
telling.
convener.
Where your joint convener? March is gone. What is the thing now?
So no impact for the TMC.
You think there is? If you are impact, you would have not come here.
Thank you.